Hey guys, welcome to another widget tutorial video. Today we'll be talking about the buzz list widget. Buzz list is for listing your blocks in the features section using hidden cover image behind the white background. The iconic point of this widget is the big counter number alongside the post titles, making it more dynamic block presenter. Let's see how it works. Let's drag our buzz list widget onto your page. You can see that there's a layout which displays your posts with counter number. From the layout section, you can select up to 4 columns on the display. There's a scroll bar right below to increase or decrease the column gap. There are a bunch of switches to turn off specific items on the display. Like the author. Turn off the show author switcher and the author will be gone. Similar to that, you can turn on human different time button, as well as the pagination. Let's keep it off for now. On the query section, you can select the number of items on the display. First, on the items section, you can select any overlay color. There's a border option right below, so you can choose solid or any kind of borders. Let's get the width for 1. Reverting back to the Content tab, from the layout, increase the column gap for the borders to show perfectly. Use an unique border color. As for the categories that is shown above the title, you can change its color and border also. Choose solid border with only 1 radius. Let's pick a color for the border and add padding to make it more dynamic. Don't forget to choose colors for the hover mode also. Use both background color and text color. Lastly, the counter number. Let's choose some color for the counter numbers also. Now let's preview what we have done so far. Great! Now your buzz list is ready to display. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel to keep updated. We'll be bringing more tutorial videos for you next time. Thanks for watching.